What are you doing? Tell Mommy what you're doing.
I'm sending envelopes to Auntie Nancy.
You're sending an envelope to Auntie Tansy?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I want to.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Why? Tell Mommy. Tell me again why you're gonna do it.
Because Auntie Tansy has a baby. And I got put mail in there.
You're gonna put mail into the baby?
And this baby wants to put mail into the baby.
Yeah.
I will be so happy.
She's gonna be so happy.
I just need to sign the envelope.
You just need to sign the envelope?
That's what I need for these
Okay.
inside.
Yeah. Oh, that's where your name is, where you wrote your name
Yeah.
for the baby?
Yeah, really nice.
Okay.
That's my baby.
Yeah. And this is the envelope that has the baby's name on it and Auntie Tansy's name. Are you excited about the baby coming?
Yeah. Guess I'm proud of this.
What are you gonna do when the baby comes?
This.
What are you gonna do when the baby comes out of Auntie Tansy's belly?
Give this to her.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, well you're very busy, so I'll leave you to it. Okay, bye.